just reminds me of Little Mix every time. Do, 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 do. La, 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 la.
It's behind us, I think.
Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Then it goes like this. Ladies, I look at the way.
All the kids in the street looking for sparklers.
Send up and salute. Get together, hands to keep up. Always up your boots, representing other women. Salute, salute. Attention, salute. Attention. But it took a while for them to set up. D to A to D to A.
Oh my god, you know it's really funny.
Josh?
That's where Louis is.
Who's Louis?
Louis in my class. It's that one of his proper official shows.
I wouldn't be surprised if it's Liv's. Olivia.
Olivia Riley.
They're having a massive bonfire.
They're almost rich.
You know they built the house by themselves? I built the house and it's absolutely beautiful.
They used to build this house, but I experienced in Minecraft.
Yeah, but Minecraft and this ain't the same. It'll probably look like a massive duck. Don't ask where that came from. D to the A to blah. Hey. You can come back here. My back. Ugh. What's mean? You know you're trying to make fun of hooking arms?
Yeah.
Me and the girls do this around school all the time. Say everybody could be. I wish you could see my shadow. It looks funny. Go watch this. Bring down. Bring down. Say everybody could be good. Does she look like a jellyfish? Say anybody. What are you doing? Daddy. Woo. Bet you guess it. Woo. You's right. If Daddy comes, sit on the grass and act normal. Just stay inside watching fireworks. 1. D. A. So D to the A to the Hey. On the camera you can see his black. But let me tell you what we're doing. Cartwheels, chicken dances, and Greek dancing. La la la. Gosh, now I can do a proper demonstration of what I did. I went. Bang bang into the face. I know you want it.
Bang bang into the sissy girl. I know you want it.
Even though get off you sissy girl.
That's what I've got the idea that you and your sister girl from.
Yeah, that's the best way. They're rubbish people. Stop screaming about it. This really hurts.
Especially doing concerts for it.
That's Daddy. Quick, stop. That's it up where? When Daddy comes, I'm going to run and sit on it. Say anybody can be good to you. You need a bad guy to blow your mind. Hit the weird fence. No one. Catch up on a brew. Never had wait and then hit Charlotte. I thought this bit was screaming, but it's not. It's just the firework.
Yeah. You can hear people screaming. I want to use at that fireworks show.
I don't think I got to wear green.
I know, who is at the fireworks show?
And Emily Everett, I think, went. Did you see me then, Josh? I was like, I was doing a dance. I went like.
Yeah, no, I know. I just got in.
I went like this, Josh. Josh went like this. And I heard that one and went. We're dancing trying to spot the fireworks. It's very fun. She put some music on.